Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this Nvidia web design using HTML and CSS. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So first thing first, we will make a new folder on our desktop that is Nvidia. Let's go inside it. Don't have anything inside, so I will show you the images which I will be using in this web design. So I made them transparent and I edited some of the pics. Downloaded this and I turned that into this for our designs and Photoshop. By the way, if you want any tutorial regarding this, you can comment down in the comment section below. And that's the parts of that driver. So let's copy it and paste inside here. So we got it all here. Now let's go to Atom text editor. Let's open the folder that is Nvidia. Let me close this. So now we're inside this. Let's make a new file that is index.html and we'll make a new folder that is CSS. Inside that we'll make a new file that is styles.css. Okay, now index.html. So let's go to Bootstrap and we'll search for get started. Now let's copy the starter template from here. Paste it here and let's make this cut all this shit. We'll give the title as Nvidia and let's link our CSS file to it, custom CSS, that is link relation style sheet and styles.css. Okay, so let's hit enter and we'll search for, let's add some comment that is Google fonts below that. So Google fonts, and the fonts we are using are Piadra, which will be some kind of special effects, and the balsamic sans. We'll select this. Let's select this one, we'll embed this and let's copy this out, we'll paste it here. Alright, so let's hit enter. Inside the body tag we'll make a new section that is header section, which is class header section. Yes, now let's go to our browser and let's go to into components and we'll copy out the most basic neighbor from here, just a bootstrap neighbor. Now let's make a neighbor that's dark and let's remove the background from here. We'll add the brand data as images. Image tag, the source will be images slash nvidia.png. Okay, so here is our logo which is transparent. So what I'm gonna do is I will rename all this. Let's make it all caps, home. The second one will be, let's keep it platforms. Okay, and the third one will be developers. Let's remove the disabled one. We'll copy this out and we'll paste it here. Now the next one will be industries. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here n number of times. Now let's rename this all. So let's skip it. Okay, so let's skip it shop and the next one will be drivers and here will be support. The last one will be about Nvidia. Okay, that's fine. Alright, after the new tag ends we'll make a new div that is bg1-div, which is background one. Image source will be images slash full.png, which is the background image. Class will be background one. Let me show you this image. Edited that in Photoshop. You can download from the link mentioned in description below. Div class will do front div. Image source will be images slash front.png. Okay, so the front side of it. Now let's copy this out and let's repeat it 2 more times. Now let's make it front 2, front 3. After this events, we'll make a new div, that is right dash div. We'll add an image tag to it, which is source images slash right.png class, which is right1. Let's copy this out and we'll paste it 2 more times, that is right2 and right3. The right side of it, and we'll make a new div, that is top dash div. Image source will be images slash big dash top png, which is B stands for B, big here. Class will be B dash top 1. Let's copy this whole line and we'll paste it for 5 more times. Let's make it B dash top 2 and M will be medium, top 1 top 2 and S and top 1 top 2. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I will make this mm and this is. Okay, after this div we'll may add a h1 tag, which is class gaming. Inside that we'll write we build and a line break here. We build gaming, all caps, we build gaming, again line break and PC. Below that we'll make a new div, which is class box dash div. Inside that we'll add an image tag, which is source images slash box22.png, which will the box of our graphic card basically. That will add an image tag, which is source images slash gtx.png. So let's do its training, and the content we will show will be an emphasis, training, performance. Alright, and let's cancel out the spaces here. After that, this defines both of this. Let's intend them properly. Okay, so we are done with our HTML. Let's go to CSS. Inside body will write overflow X hidden, which is important, and the background color will be black. Dot neighbor position will be absolute, head index will be 10. Dot name dash item margin from right will be, let's give it 20 pixels, and dot home, the margin left will be 100 pixels. Dot header section, which is the whole section out here, so the overflow will be hidden. Okay, let's skip it. Both the overflows hidden. After that we'll go to background 1 dash div, which will be 100 view height. Dot background 1 position absolute with 100 view height will be 100%. From top it should be 0 pixels. From let's skip the background color to be #0e43f3. Let's copy this out and we'll paste it here. Now let's make it front 1, front 2 and front 3 for the front sides. And let's, okay, I think it's fine here. Let's go down and when the border is hovered, our front one will be changed. So opacity will be 0.2. Let's make it front 2, front 3 and 10 pixels, minus 30 pixels, 15 pixels. Okay, opacity will be 0.4 and 0.6. It's looking fine, I think. Let's remove this background color from here. We don't need this. Remove this out. Now let's cancel this. Let's copy this out. We'll paste it for 3 times. Right 1, right 2 and right 3. So I think the properties are fine. Yeah, I forgot to add transitions. So let's copy this out and we'll paste in every side of it. Transition, and here we go, transition. and front and right, all the three front and all the three rights. So let's copy this out and we'll paste it here. Let's make it right one. Lol 0 will not translate it to any direction. Opacity will be 0.2. Let's make it right 2 and right 3. 15 pixels and 5 pixels. 0.4 and 0.6. So B dash top 1. Okay, let's copy this out. Transition will be 3 seconds. Let's paste it here and top 2 and top 3. Let's go down and make it M dash top 1 and M dash top 2. Okay. Let's make it S dash top 1. So we are accessing all these 6 files. S dash top 2. And let's go down when the board is hovered. Our B dash top 1 should be changed, that is will be transformed, it will be translated in 3D direction, all the 3 directions, 0 pixels, 0 pixels and 0. We won't change for B dash top 1. Let's copy and paste it 5 times, B dash top 2. Opacity will be 0.2. Let's copy this out, we'll paste it below here. -20 in y direction 0.4. Let's increase the opacity by 0.2 and -40. 0.5 here will be 1.7. -60.9 and let's do it here and -80. Let's change this M dash top to S dash top 1 and S dash top 2. And -100. Opacity will be 0.1. Make sure you do that one. I forgot to do that. So dot box position will be absolute, Z index will be 10, left will be 380 pixels. Oh sorry, I'm really sorry, from top it will be 380 pixels. From left it will be 100 pixels. Width will be 350 pixels. Opacity will be, let's keep it 1, okay. Transition will be 1 second. Now let's go to dot box dash device to hover. Not 0, that will be box, width will be 380 pixels, will change. Now let's access dot gaming class. Position will be absolute. Let's copy all this and I'll paste it here. Let's remove this one, extra position element. Let's do this 180, no, 150. So let's add color, that is white. Font family, that is Piedra. Font size will be 80 pixels. Opacity will be 0.7, okay. But let's remove this width. Now dot gaming is to hover. When it's hovered it will change, we'll scale it by 1 point. Let's make it 1.1, okay, and from top it should be 450 pixels. From left it will be 240 pixels. Transform it, rotate it -90 degree. Transition will be 1 second and box dash device to hover dot GTX. Position will be absolute. From top it will be 400 pixel, left it will be 450 pixel, width will be 380 pixel. Transition will transform it, will rotate it and 230 degree. So wait a minute, I forgot to add those curly braces. So let's add them here now. Position will be absolute, Z index will be 10. From top it will be 540 pixels. Left it should be 1440 pixel. It will be outside of the view border, viewport basically. Transition will be 0.3 seconds. Let's make a font family that is balsamic sans, and font weight will be bolder. Let's add text shadow to it. What I'm gonna do is I will visit google.com and I will search for something like CSS text border. I don't need to write everything, so let's visit here. Let's go to Stack Overflow. Let's copy this text shadows. Okay, let's paste it here. Now the box dash div is to hover.stunning. It will be changed. Position will be absolute. From left it will be 850 pixels. Color will be hashtag F54 white. It's the same. Font size will be 50 pixels. Font family will be it's fine. I don't need to write that. Opacity will be 0.75 and color will be hashtag F5. Make sure you remove that white color from here. So let's copy the full path of it and we will paste it in our browser. So look there, it's looking absolutely amazing. We got some animation here which are 3D and we got hovering nearby plus this rotating graphic card and some stunning text effects. So it's all together really looking amazing. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys.